During the early days of November, the Lagos State government announced an 8-week traffic diversion to facilitate emergency repairs on the Eko Bridge starting on Monday. Before we dive into the video, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your loved ones. My name is Emmanuel Bernard, and you are highly welcome to my channel. Let's get back to the video. This information was revealed in a statement posted on the official Instagram and Twitter accounts of the Lagos State Commissioner for Transportation. It was the time I made a video about the government putting hand guides on the Lagos Bridge. Yes, because these hand guides were removed by citizens and they were sold. Some were destroyed by accident on the bridge, but it's been 2 months since I made that video and I posted it about a couple of months ago. And since then, that construction has been stopped. I don't know if this construction has been abandoned or if anything is wrong, but these people don't seem to do anything concerning these handrails anymore. And this is very, very dangerous because this bridge is being used by a lot of people and it's not advisable for a bridge to be like this. I'll be showing you guys the rest of the bridge and how it currently looks today and where the construction has stopped. So please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel to get this video to more people. Oluwaseun Oshiemi on Friday. The repairs to be conducted by the Federal Ministry of Work will be carried out in 4 phases. During this period, the bridge will be fully or partially closed at various times depending on the work schedule. The Lagos State government announced that traffic will be diverted away from Eko Bridge to facilitate emergency repairs by the Federal Ministry of Work. The diversion will commence on Monday and also will last for 8 weeks. During this construction, it's been 4 weeks since this construction was announced, and a lot of construction were done, renovations, rehabilitation, and a lot of things were done on these bridges. The repairs will be carried out in 4 phases, as the government said, during which the bridge will be intermittently, fully or partially closed, depending on the work schedule. The statement was basically for the bridges at Lagos mainland. The statement also outlined alternative routes for motorists during the repair period, with the Lagos State government stressing that Lagos State Traffic Management Authority, known as LASMA, the officers will be stationed at key points in the repair zones and along alternative routes to minimize delay and ensure smooth traffic flow throughout the duration of the project. Alternative routes for motorists during the repairs on Eko Bridge and rest of the bridges. Motorists are advised to follow alternative routes because this is a long-term repair, though 8 weeks doesn't seem so much, but because it is on bridges which link a lot of cities and local government area districts together, this is a lot of days to wait. Below are the recommended alternative routes for Lagos motorists, and they are encouraged to use this to ease traffic flow and minimize disruption. For those heading to Lagos Island from Funsho Williams Avenue, one option is to use the service lane at Alaka, which connects to Costain, allowing access to the Eko Bridge and onward travel to Lagos Island. Alternatively, motorists can take the route through Costain, linking to Apongbo via the Eko Bridge, which also provide direct access to destination on the island. Additionally, motorists traveling from Apongbo inward to the Eko Bridge can use this route to reconnect with Costain and Funsho Williams Avenue. Other alternatives include using Costain inward, Alaka, Funsho Williams, or taking Apapa Road from Costain to link with Oyimbo, which provide access to Adekunle and the 3rd mainland bridge for smoother journeys. And also, there is another route for those heading to Surulere. The recommended route is to go through Costain to breweries, then continue inward to Abebe village, where motorists can connect to Eric Murray, Bode Thomas to reach their desired destination. These alternative routes are designed to help alleviate traffic congestion and ensure smoother travel during the repair period. Lagos is a very and highly populated state, which is also the most populated state in Nigeria and Africa as a whole. So, road transportation is one of the major means of movement in the country and in Lagos, to be precise. air transportation is very common, but also it is very expensive. So most people prefer to move from one place to another by taking easier and cheaper means of commuting, which is bike, keke, public buses, and also private cars. And at times, when people book orders like Uber and InDrive, it seems to be very expensive, depending on the inflation going on now and also the location and distance you are willing to travel. On this video, I'm encouraging Nigerians to also abide by the rules and work with the last mile to make the traffic congestion easier and also help develop our state. Lagos is one of the best states in Africa, trying to build a mega and smart city and make the country stand out among its peers in Western Africa. Though the governors and the government are working hand to hand to make this a dream come true. And I'm also glad that I myself and you, the citizens, are also doing our best to also make sure that these things come out. There's a secret construction going on around Costain. I actually went there to make a video, but I wasn't granted access due to some reasons. But anyways, I was able to get in contact with the engineer and we spoke together and we exchanged contacts. According to him, he said he was going to give me a call, but I'm still waiting on the call. But in case he doesn't give me a call after 2 or 3 days, I will then text him. And I really want to bring that construction to your screen because it's a very big and massive construction, which I believe it's really, really something we Nigerians need to know about. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Bernard. See you on the next one, but for now, stay blessed.